May pag-asa pa ba? Is there still hope? Sigurado ka bang magiging maayos ang lahat? Are you sure everything will be alright? Mukhang may tinatago siya. He seems to be hiding something. Baka hindi sapat ang ipon ko. Maybe my savings aren't enough. Baka may masama siyang balak. Maybe he has bad intentions. Mapagkakatiwalaan ko ba siya? Can I trust him? Sigurado ka bang wala siyang inililihim? Are you sure he's not hiding anything? Totoo ba ang multo? Are ghosts real? Paano kung ginagamit niya lang ako? What if he's just using me? Sigurado ka ba sa kanya? Are you sure of him? Paano kung magtaksil siya sa akin? What if he cheats on me? Talaga ba? Really? Hindi ako sigurado. I am not sure. Sigurado ka ba? Are you sure? Totoo ba ito? Is this true? Mukhang hindi totoo. It doesn't seem true. Hindi ako naniniwala. I don't believe it. Parang may mali. Something seems wrong. Baka hindi totoo. It might not be true. Hindi ako kumbinsido. I am not convinced. Totoo bang ginawa niya yon? Did he really do that? Hindi ko alam kung dapat akong maniwala. I don't know if I should believe it. Sigurado ka bang siya ang may kasalanan? Are you sure he's at fault? Talaga bang siya ang gumawa nito? Did he really do this? Hindi ko siya lubos na pinagkakatiwalaan. I don't fully trust him. Baka hindi niya sinabi ang totoo. Maybe he didn't tell the truth. Hindi ko alam kung kaya niya iyon. I don't know if he can do it. Baka hindi niya sinasadya. Maybe he didn't mean to. Nagdesisyon ka na ba? Have you decided yet? Dapat ba akong magbago ng isip? Should I change my mind? Mahal niya ba talaga ako? Does he really love me? Baka pagsisihan ko ito. I might regret this. Paano kung ginagamit niya lang ako? What if he just using me? Nagsasabi ba siya ng totoo? Is he telling the truth? Baka niloloko lang niya ako. Maybe he's just fooling me. Sigurado ka bang tapat siya sa'yo? Are you sure he's loyal to you? Paano kung hindi siya seryoso? What if he's not serious? Paano kung may iba siya? What if he has someone else? Nasaan ang pruweba? Where is the proof? Baka ayaw niyang gawin. Maybe he won't do it. Kaya ko ba ito? Can I do this? Hindi ko alam kung sapat na ako. I don't know if I'm worth enough. Paano kung magkamali ako? What if I make mistake? Hindi ko alam kung dapat ko siyang paniwalaan. I don't know if I should believe him. Hindi ko ito kayang mag-isa. I can't do this alone. Parang ang hirap nito. This seems hard. Paano kung hindi ako magtagumpay? What if I don't succeed? Baka malas lang ako. Maybe I'm just unlucky. Baka hindi talaga para sa akin. Maybe it's not really for me. Hindi ko ito matatapos. I can't finish this. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa hinaharap? What will happen in the future? Totoo ba ang kapalaran? Is fate real?